So first of all, talking about carbon black, like I keep saying, that there cannot be a substitute for carbon black because carbon black provides the abrasion resistance and provides the filler, acts as a filler to the tire and rubber. I also very strongly feel that there are other fillers in the market, but don't have the properties of carbon black. They don't have the strength. It's like saying I eat the food for two purposes. One is to fill my stomach, and other is to gain strength. Now that is what carbon black does. It fills your stomach and gives you strength. There are other fillers which may fill your stomach but will not give you strength. So there is no use of that particular food. So that is regarding the carbon black. The industry, the tire industry, the rubber industry still needs to find a substitute, real substitute for the carbon black is what. So when there is overcapacity in a country, it is never good because one, it is a cutthroat competition within the country, and then even if they have to go out of the country, and so where will they go and fight? They will still fight each other. Continua 80/30 has been very successful. See, the major challenge that tire companies today are facing is to use of recycled or recircular material. The major challenges the tire companies, I know of a tire company, I will not name them, who ask the tire rubber growers to give a certification that they are not employing child labor in the rubber plantations. So that is how much is the impact that tire companies are falling on the circularity, on the sustainable material, use of sustainable material, etc. 80/30, Birla 80/30, Continua 80/30 has been so far highly successful. And there are customers who have very successfully started using them. And there are customers who are in advanced stages of testing and therefore using them. So we are very happy with that. And I think that will revolutionize the carbon black industry. Again, like I said, a recycled or recircular product is, especially in carbon black, is not 100% usable. So Continua 80/30, can it be used 100%? It cannot be used 100%. It has to be used in the blend. So either we blend it and give it to the customer, or the customer blends it according to his own formulation. That all depends on customer and our arrangement with the customer, but we are okay in any which ways the customer wants it to happen. Continua 80/30 is nothing to do with performance. It is to do with it is used to do with the sustainability. How much you are able to recirculate your product. The fresh capacities will still be coming. The fresh capacities will continue to come. And the use of sustainable materials also will continue to grow. They will both happen because the actual demand will grow. And actual demand, as long as the actual demand is growing, the need for the product is there. Now, whichever blend or whichever way it is used, that all depends on the application and the way the industry is able to derive its value. So Asia post-treatment plant is the first of its kind in Asia. And it is a technology which was not available in Asia at all. It is a technology which was only available with Birla Carbon US, which we have been able to bring in Asia. And that is not for the conventional carbon black. It is only the post-treatment products are only usable for specialized treatments like paints, toners, specialty black. It's a very high-end specialty black, let's say. For any business today, the largest challenge is the volatility of the markets, volatility of geopolitical situations, volatility of the price trend changes, logistics costs, for example, the way they change. So who had anticipated that 2 months ago the logistics costs will go such drastically high? Or who would have anticipated that there'll be Israel and Middle East war suddenly. So volatility is the biggest challenge any business faces, and we should be nimble and agile enough in any business to be able to align ourselves and adjust ourselves very quickly to adapt to those challenges. So challenges will remain, challenges will come, but it is up to the business as to how nimble and agile it is and how much proactively it has thought about so that it can change its course to meet those challenges.